What's up guys, Corey coming to you live from TacToys HQ doing a quick video on the unboxing of the M24. Let's go. Alright, so getting right into it, we'll open the box straight away, and one of the first things that you will see is the instruction manual. So of course, always read this guys. Alright, so in the bag of goodies that you have here, it looks like what we have is a bipod for the front of the blaster. Small bags of clear gel balls. You've also got what looks like some sort of lid to go on a bottle that allows you to feed the gel balls into the blaster or the magazine itself. And then you've also got a sling, which looks like you can attach that to the gun somewhere as well. We also have right here our magazine. I have used this earlier, so I do know that you load it through the back here. There's just a small door or a small flap there. You open it, fill it up, close it, and then prime the magazine like that by pushing that button right there. Just prime the magazine. The gel balls will be popping out that hole, and once they're popping out of there, you know the magazine has been primed. Of course, your trusty safety glasses, always make sure you're wearing these. The next thing you'll see is the suppressor. Of course, it is just a cosmetic suppressor. You can just attach it on the front of your gun if you want it to look like that. Next thing you'll see is your sight. A fairly cosmetic sight, I would say. It is slightly magnified, however it's not the clearest, of course, and again, being a gel blaster, you guys are never going to get spot on accuracy with these, so don't expect too much from this, but it sure does make the gun look pretty damn cool. Moving on to the body of the blaster itself, you'll see the bottom half of the blaster. It's quite a nice material actually. It isn't like a shiny, smooth, very plasticky feel. It actually feels pretty solid. Kind of a rough surface. What I imagine the real thing would be like. I've never held one, but this is what I imagined it would be like. Yeah, nice rough surface, not too slippery, it doesn't look too fake, and it seems quite solid as well. And it looks like the rear has an adjusting buttstock just by twisting that. Yep, so fully adjustable to put it to where you like it as well. So that's pretty cool. Next up, we actually have what looks to be the main component of the blaster itself. So you've got the bolt here, all the mechanics on the inside, of course. Right there is the trigger, and then the massive barrel. I believe it's a 50 centimeter barrel, plastic barrel as well. This right here looks to be the mag release. So when you put the body together into the gun itself, looks like that right there is the mag release, and that's there where you put the magazine. Once you have it together, there is a small goodie bag in here with 4 screws and an Allen key as well. And these look like they attach just at the bottom of the blaster here. So put 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there. Make sure you have this bag. Sometimes it is mixed in with the bubble wrap where the body of the blaster was sitting. So make sure that you don't throw out the bubble wrap with these inside of it. Always make sure that you have these, because this is what holds the 2 parts of the body together. And one little thing that I've noticed is at the bottom of the box, you're probably wondering what this is. This is for when you don't want to run the suppressor. So just at the end of the barrel here, all you do is insert it like this, and it looks a bit cleaner. So overall, my opinion on the M24, the build quality was actually quite good. It feels pretty solid. It is fairly light, so don't expect nothing crazy because there's no metal components on it. The body itself, the silver part that I was explaining, does feel quite solid. The mechanical part of it as well does feel pretty solid. The mag release, the feel of the gun itself when you're holding it, and just the entire system in use does feel pretty good. I've made some other videos on it as well, explaining how to put it together exactly, and there's other videos as well showing exactly how it shoots and how to upgrade them and everything. So I highly recommend the M24. I'm quite impressed by the build quality, and I'm very, very excited to see what people do with this blaster, because I think there's going to be some crazy builds. This is Corey from TacToys. Happy blasting.